clean Carfax, leather twin comfort seats, and rear center armrest W cup holders. Sassy, sporty, spectacular. Beauty abounds. This is a Warranty Forever certified vehicle, which means it gets a $0 deductible warranty for as long as you own the car at absolutely no cost to you. If you demand the best things in life, this fantastic 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis is the luxury car for you. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2004 Grand Marquis 5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality mechanical. Put a healthy serving of excitement into your drive, and start actually looking forward to slipping behind the wheel. Our Warranty Forever certified program gives you more warranty than any manufacturer's certified programs, and is at no cost to you whatsoever. If you have any more